You will face this in the next years. Kasi maraming hospital leaders, ang thinking nila, okay, claims issue ang DRG. The dangerous part, the real problem, doctors. Short notes, incomplete assessment, missing complication, weak justification ng procedure, minimal ang documentation sa severity. Sa DRG ho, it's an entire new game because payment is no longer based on the diagnosis. Payment is complexity. Severity, complication, procedures. Meron pang resource consumption. Lahat ng ito dependent sa documentation. Meaning, if your doctors fail to document, the hospital revenue, okay, kahit complicated, it will go down. Many hospitals may experience silent loss without knowing it. Underpaid. So, sa DRG, underpayment will destroy your revenue over time. Here's the bigger problem. Many hospitals, ang tinitreat pa rin, ang DRG preparation, okay, pinapasa sa billing. Claims cannot invent documentation. Coders cannot code what the doctors fail to write. Yung claims processor cannot defend unsupported chart. That means top management po must be involved now, not later. Because DRG is not a simple technical transition. It is a leadership transition. Two hospitals may have the same pneumonia patient. One patient may receive high reimbursement kasi ho, kumpleto ang documentation, while the other, maliit. Same patient, different payment. Ganun ho ang DRG. And this is why hospital leaders should no longer stay distant sa process. DRG is now connected to the hospital operations. Financial performance, may doctor participation, long-term sustainability. And what should top management do now? Ito po ha, educate department heads and doctors early. Pangalawa ho, create a DRG transition team. Pangatlo, review your hospital documentation system. Do not wait ho for problems before acting because hospitals that prepare early, they will adjust faster. Use less and build stronger system ahead of everyone. Kung part kayo ng leadership, now is the time to start. And if you're not part of top management, send this video to them. Bigay nyo sa leaders. Because the DRG problem is bigger than hospitals realize.